If you like to make beef chow fin that tastes even better than your favorite takeout, you are at the right place. Step number 1. Marinate the beef. Are you looking to make restaurant quality tender beef? Try this velveting technique. In a mixing bowl, add the beef flank inside. Marinate it with salt. Mix until the beef has fully absorbed the salt. Then add the white pepper. Shaoxing white helps to remove the gamey taste of the beef. Egg white helps to tenderize the beef. Cornstarch slurry seals the juice of the beef inside. And oil. Thoroughly combine. Marinate for about 30 minutes. You won't believe how tender it is until you try it. They are the magic combination. Step number 2. Prepare the noodles. Hefan noodles are made with rice, water, and sometimes starch. For stir frying, it is best to choose the ones with starch in it. It makes the rice noodles more durable and less likely to break apart. The store-bought hefan are usually very firm. To overcome this challenge, simply put the hefan in a microwave and heat it up for about 3 minutes. See? They are more flexible now. Cut the hefan into about 1-inch pieces. Step 3. Let's make the sauce. We're gonna add soy sauce, dark soy sauce, oyster sauce, water, and white pepper. Step number 4. Cook the beef chow fin in a wok over high heat. Pour about 2 tablespoons of oil in it. Transfer the marinated beef inside. Avoid stir frying it immediately. Let's have a beautiful sear before touching it. Okay, now stir fry it for about 3 minutes. Remove. In the wok, add about 1 tablespoon of oil. Add the onion and cook until aromatic for about 30 seconds. In order to get the smoky wok taste, make sure the heat is on the highest for the entire time. When stir frying the hefan, avoid using a spatula. It's best to use chopsticks or tongs, so the hefan are less likely to break apart. In the wok over high heat, add about 1 tablespoon of oil. Place the hefan inside. Cook until aromatic for about 1 minute. Return the beef and onion. Also add the sauce. Now we're gonna mix everything together. Lastly, add the bean sprouts and scallions. Mix everything together. Do not overcook the hefan. This beef chow mein is 100% better than any takeout place. It's healthier, it's tastier, and most importantly, it allows you to bond with your friends and family while making it. It's just so good, I love it. If you also like to make beef lo mein at home, check out the video right here. Subscribe, follow, and like for more easy to follow Asian recipes. Please also comment below and let me know what is your favorite type of noodles. I'll see you again soon. Thank you so much for watching. Bye! Would you like to watch exclusive behind-the-scenes content? Also receive early access to my written recipes and short videos. Please become a supporter. Your support helps me in creating more easy-to-follow Asian recipes. You are amazing.